Now students, see, I am reading the Civil War, this paragraph. Try to understand. When the Bolsheviks ordered land redistribution, so Bolshevik, now they started to carry out their plans, measures. So by their measures, land redistributions which was started, the Russian army began to break up. So here land redistribution started. So the Russian army started to break down. How? Because soldiers, mostly peasants. Because soldiers, they were peasants, farmers. So when the land redistributions started, so soldiers, they returned to their home, wished to go home for the redistribution and deserted. So for taking, for we can say that to capture, to gain land under the land redistribution program, so they returned to their home and deserted means we can say they move from the camp or army, etc. Non-Bolshevik socialist, now those who were the non-Bolshevik people, or we can say the members, like a socialist, non-Bolshevik socialist, liberals and supporters of autocracy, condemned. Here condemned means we can say the criticized. Now they started to criticize the Bolshevik uprising. Uprising means revolt, opposition. So those who were the non-Bolshevik socialist, liberals and supporters of the autocracy, now they started to criticize over the Bolshevik planning. Their leaders moved to South Russia and organized troops to fight the Bolshevik. Now their leaders means non-Bolshevik party's leaders. Now they gathered and they organized troops to fight against the Bolshevik party, to fight against the Bolshevik members. Now here Bolsheviks, they were called the Reds. During 1918 and 1919, the Greens, now here Greens means who were the Greens? Socialist revolutionaries were known as the Greens, and the Bolshevik, they were known as the Reds. So during 1918 and 1919, the Greens, socialist revolutionaries, and whites means pro-czarist. Pro means here in favor of czar. So these members, they were known as the whites, controlled most of the Russian empire. Now they control the most of the Russian empire, Russian region. They were backed means non-Bolshevik socialist, liberals and revolutionaries, all they were supported. Here backed means supported. They were supported by French, American, British and Japanese troops. Why the French and American, British, they supported to these people? All those forces means all those non-Bolshevik as well as the French, American and British and Japanese troops, all those forces who were worried at the growth of socialism in Russia. Now they were worried at the growth of socialism, means they did not want to we can say the grow the socialism in Russia. So they wanted to stop socialism in Russia. So they supported to the non-Bolshevik members. As these troops and the Bolsheviks fought a civil war. Now here we can understand civil war started. Looting, banditry and famine became common. We can see during the civil war, now disturbance, such type of disturbance started. Supporters of private property among whites took a harsh steps with the peasants who had seized land. Now the whites, those who were we can say the supporters, white, they used the harsh steps measures, who captured the lands, nobles land. Now they started to, we can say the punished and torture. They started to torture to the peasants, now who had seized land. Such actions led to the loss of popular support for the non-Bolshevik, means whites and non-Bolshevik people. Now, when they followed the harsh steps to control the peasant, etc. So these actions, their actions. Now, because of these actions, now whites and non-Bolshevik people became unpopular. By January 1920, the Bolsheviks controlled most of the former Russian Empire. They succeeded due to a cooperation with a non-Russian nationalist and Muslim Jadidist. Now, Bolshevik people, they were supported by the non-Russian nationalists as well as the Muslim Jadidist. Here you can see the meaning also. Cooperation did not work where Russian colonists themselves turned Bolshevik. Now, we cannot see the cooperation where the Russian colonists means they accepted and adopted the Bolshevik views and they joined into the Bolshevik party. In Khiva, in Central Asia, Bolshevik colonists brutally massacred local nationalists in the name of defending socialism. Now, in Khiva, what happened? Bolshevik colonists brutally massacred, means so many people were killed by the Bolshevik members. Brutally means cruelty, unjust. We can say the so this was the bad effect. We can say defending socialism in the name of the to defend socialism means in a colonist Bolshevik colonist so many people were killed. So this was the bad effect for the Bolshevik. In this situation, many were confused about what the Bolshevik government represented. So the people, they became now they were confused. They confused. So what now they were thinking about the what Bolshevik party wanted to do, etc. Partly to remedy means here remedy means for corrections. Whatever happened to set up like this. Most non-Russian nationalists were given political autonomy in the Soviet Union, USSR. Now here USSR means you can see the full form, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. So non-Russian nationalists were given political autonomy. Autonomy means somewhat freedom which was given by the Soviet Union. For the correction whatever the happened, the so many here we can understand brutally massacre local nationalists in the name of defending. So to we can say to make up whatever these brutally happenings here. So autonomy was given, freedom was given in some non-Russian nationalists in some regions. The state the Bolshevik created from the Russian Empire in December 1922. But since this was combined with unpopular policies that the Bolsheviks forced the local government to follow. Now here we can understand the Bolshevik views and the policies became unpopular. Why? Because of this reason also. Because Bolshevik in some area, in some regions followed some unpopular policies and measures, steps which were these, like the harsh discouragement of nomadisms. Here you can understand, you can read the meaning of nomadism. Nomadism means a lifestyle of those who do not live in one place but move from area to area to earn their livings. Means nomadism which was stopped in some areas harshly. So because of these policies, the Bolshevik views and Bolshevik parties became unpopular. Attempts to win over different nationalists were only partly successful. Now here students, we have completed this paragraph. Now next paragraph we will read in next clip.